Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark at 20p, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find password and security. Then let's tap on fingerprint and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. Tap on add fingerprint. And as you can see here, we've got the information, so we have to avoid oily or dirty fingers, and basically simply put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device. So just tap on next and let's do it. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course, and now the edges. Alright, we've got it, so just tap on finish. And here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Check enrolled fingerprints. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, etc. So all we have to do right now is to lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, it is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.